So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here is the detailed tutorial, step by step and complete tutorial for the day 1 AI agent challenge. And you can see no one in the entire YouTube has made the tutorial, although they promised, but as I promised earlier, I will make the tutorial guide. So here is the complete video for it. Here we'll test the agent, deploy the agent and just complete the task 1. Also, I have already made my promise by posting the detailed guide in the morning itself, how we have to just install all the things. But still I felt that people may find it little bit confusing because as I saw, many of my subscribers are from non-coding background also. So we'll cover this thing. But before we start, make sure you hype the video and subscribe the channel so that you are able to complete it and just it helps other also. If you want to know how to hype the video, you can come to the short section and here is the video. Just click on it and just swipe it and hype it. Now before we start, here are some prerequisites. We have to download the VS Code over here. So from the search box just type VS Code and here you can see download option. Just click on download and depending on your system you can just select whatever it's mentioned. Like if you are a Mac user, you can just use the Mac. If you are a Windows user, you can just select the Windows. Like this, you have to just switch it one by one. So I am just fast forwarding till it gets downloaded. When you need to wait for it. And after that, we'll just initiate the next step. So let's meet after some time. So finally, the VS Code setup is successfully downloaded. Now here you have to double click on it. And we'll cover each and everything step by step, so do not worry if you are new. I do understand what people face, the errors, what kind of basic errors people face, so we'll cover each and everything. Click on I accept and then click on next. Now here you can just select any directory. I am selecting C only, so just save it like this. Next, and make sure to add these two options and also create a desktop icon. Now just click on next and install it. Now wait for the installation to get completed. It will depend on your SSD or laptop speed. So after that it will be successfully installed and then we'll be opening it. Now here you can see all the things are being done. Now here finally we have installed the VS Code. Now here this repo I have shared in the description box. Do not worry, do not hurry. First of all come to this page. Okay, I'll just mention the challenge page also and this page also. Now here the first thing you can see, it's asking to install Python 3 also and UV package manager also. Also it's asking for downloading all these things. So how we'll do? Do not worry about it. First of all, let me open the VS Code. Oh, by default it's opened only. So just click on finish. So here this is how our VS Code looks like. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do, come over here to the GitHub repo. Okay. Now the first thing what you need to do, you can simply clone it also, but I'm making it simpler for all of you. First thing you need to have a GitHub account. Okay, first of all just sign up. If you don't have a GitHub account, just sign up and mention all your details over here and just sign up. Okay, all the details you have to mention and just like normal procedure you have to sign up. You have to go to github.com and just create an account. Now here I'm signing in as I already have an account. So now the first thing you need to do, just click on this code button and just click on download zip. Now once you have clicked on download zip, this file is successfully saved over here in the downloads folder. You have to just copy it. You can just use the same parent folder also, there is not a big issue. If I come over here and here you can see I have to just make it move over here as I already have a file, but still I'm doing it. So once you have downloaded all the thing, okay, by default your zip file will look like this. You have to right click over here and just click on extract. Just click on extract. It will take some time. Just click on this, and once all the files are extracted, you can see this thing. Just copy this. Okay, now here what you need to do, you need to first of all rename it to whatever you want. Just name it to AI agents D or any name you can use. Now once you have copied it, first of all come back on the main drive, paste over here like this, open it and just right click over here and just click on open with code. So if you have just enabled like me, then you can just open it, just click on yes, and yes, I trust the authors. In case it's not showing open with code, you can just go to the file option and just open the folder, and you can navigate to that particular folder and check it out. So finally we have set up the main thing over here. Now click on this three dot to activate the terminal, and just come over here, and first thing we'll just install is the Python. Now here you can use different versions also, but here I am using the Python. So first for Python you need to just come over here and paste Python 3. So here it's showing latest release. Okay, just come over second one and just you can see this Python 3.14 or 3.15 is also there, but let's download the 3.14. So here you can see all these details are mentioned over here. If I come over here and just click on download, it's still not working. So let's see how it will work. Okay, at bottom you can see Python install manager. It's Windows, Mac OS. So just copy it like this. I mean, click on it like this. Now here, just click on download installer. Now here the installer is being downloaded over here. Okay. So now again double click over here. For you guys only I'm doing each thing. Here you can see install. Just uncheck this and install Python. For you guys only I'm doing step by step. Otherwise these are very basic steps. We can easily skip it also and just come to the main part. I will try to make a timeline code also so that you can just navigate to that place if it permits. So here we have installed the Python successfully. Now the next thing we have to install is UV package manager. So for that just copy it like this. Come over here. What I did, I clicked on it. Okay. And then you can see here is the option for Mac OS and Windows. For Windows, click on it. Come over here to the terminal page and first of all, close the existing window if it's opened and just come over here and paste it and hit enter. If you are unable to paste, just right click and click on paste button. Okay. Now here it's just downloading the UV. You can see that it has been successfully downloaded. Let me first of all close it. So finally, the first thing we have downloaded is this. Let's hit enter also. So now it's downloading. Okay, I forgot to hit enter. Now we have just installed the UV. Now the next step is that we have to install Node.js 18 plus. So just type Node.js over here, and here you can see the Node.js is here. Now click on get Node.js, and from here you can just click on Windows installer. Now the Windows file is being downloaded. Depending on your internet speed, it will take time. Do not worry about it. So here, as time is limited, you can see already 7 p.m. and we have time till 9 p.m. to submit. So I'm doing it hurry. Now just click on I accept and just click on next, next, and next, and next, and install. So now the Node.js is getting installed. So wait for it to get installed. It may take some time. Meanwhile, do like the video and hype the video too, so that it reaches. And as you can see, no one delivered the promise. They made the video, but they couldn't just make a simple tutorial guide also even they could not make, but they could have at least informed, like due to this reason I was unable to make. So still do subscribe the video as sorry channel and do hype the video too. Now here you will get this kind of pop-up. Just click on yes, and if you are getting any permissive error, just go to the Windows Defender and just turn on the security settings. Okay, even if you are using any other antivirus, just disable it for the meantime. Now here it's getting installed. It is taking some time. I think yes, I will try my best to make this video smaller as soon as possible. So finally this is successfully installed. Now the next thing is that we have to install pnpm. So just type pnpm, come over here, and here you can see pnpm. So now click on get started and just come over here for Windows. Where is Windows? Okay, so here is the Windows command. Let's do it. Come to the VS Code page and just run it and let's see whether it works or not. So yes, downloading PNPM, you can clearly see now it's just downloading the PNPM. Is there any way to increase the font size? No, I'm unable to increase the font size. I hope you are able to see it. Okay, I hope you are able to see it over here. Let me just do it like this. And here you can clearly see that the files are being visible over here. So now the PNPN has been successfully installed. Now let's come over here and here you can see LiveKit CLI and LiveKit server. So for LiveKit CLI, just right click and open on a new tab. And here you can see it's showing option for Windows. It's showing this option. Okay. So depending on your operating system, you have to select it like this and just come over here and run it like this. So it's taking little bit time and do you agree? Just type Y and hit enter. Now it's downloading the LiveKit CLI. So finally it is successfully installed. Now the next thing is that we have to just configure the LiveKit server also. So just open it in a new tab. And here you can see the LiveKit server. For Mac OS it's different, for Linux it's different. For Mac OS you have to copy it and just run over here. Okay, similarly for Linux also, and now for Windows you have to just download it. So click on it and come over here and just download the ARM64 zip. I think this one is only, yes, this one you have to download and just come over here to the file and just go to the folder over here. Just extract it, right click and extract all. Now just copy it carefully and just come over here to which folder? D. We were having D or E? F folder we were having. So yes, you have to come over here, just copy, just enter on your agent folder. Whichever agent folder we have modified, you have to just paste over here like this and just do one thing. Just open it and let's see whether it works or not. In such case, you have to click on more info and just click on run anyway. Now here it will just run it. So this app can run on your PC. Okay, do not worry about it. So I have a solution. We have to just download the AMD file also. Now wait for the AMD file to get completed. Come again over here and just extract it. Actually, due to names, I was confused a little bit. So let me just extract it again. Now here again, copy this file like we did earlier and come back again to the main folder. Just paste it and just click on replace version. Now once you have replaced it, just rerun it again. Just click on more and just run anyway. Let's see whether it works or not. So here it's working. Now we are in the next step of this lab. Now we have done all these things and let's close it. Now here you can clearly see we have set up the LiveKit server also. Now the next thing is that we have to clone it. So we have already downloaded the repository, so we don't have to do it. Now let's come to the CD backend file and just come over here. Wait a second. Just close the drive over here and just close it also and just come to the what is happening. Come to the VS Code page and just change the directory. So we are in the backend folder. Now we have to install all the dependencies. Okay, just run it like this. Now here we are getting that UV is not recognized in the name of operating system. So here we are getting this kind of error. So what we need to do? So first of all, if you are getting this kind of error, what you can do? Let me see. It's showing the error. So let's come over here and see whether it's working or not. So if we come over here and you can use the chat GPT too. So let's open the chat GPT and just close it. So if I show this error, okay, sniping tool. So we need to install the UV. I think we already installed the UV. I think we need to restart the system also. So here is remote sign, please run settings. So just copy it like this. Okay. Wait one thing. Wait a second. So it's again showing this kind of error. In such case, you can take the screenshot like this, as I'm unable to get it over here. So let's run it again. So first copy this code over here, and after that just run this command over here, and let's see whether it works or not. So finally it's downloading UV, and then only we'll move forward to the next step. So let's come over here and just run the first command over here. Wait a second, C was cut. So again it's showing a error over here. So let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's close it and just reopen it again. So if we just come over here and just open it again, and here first thing we have to come to the backend page. So just click on this, right click, open integrated terminal, and just over here just run this command over here, and let's see whether it works or not. So it may take some time, do not worry about it. Here you can see we are getting some kind of error, but I think it's working little bit. So let me see whether it works or not. So if I see the files over here, so here local, yes, the file has been added. Now let's run the downloading files over here. So if I come over here and just run it, whether it works or not. So here you are using C Python, but so let's fix this error also. Let's see what's the error over here. Actually, I did not face on the main system where I completed this task, but here I face this kind of issue. So let's downgrade the Python. If it was working on your system, then you can move forward to the next step. But as it was facing issue, and I'm glad that I'm facing multiple issues in this step-by-step guide, so that you can just understand and complete it accordingly. And we have very limited time, so I'm trying my best to upload it as soon as possible. So here, if we come over here, and here you can see that we have to just create and activate the Python. So let's come to the main task over here. So here they are mentioning that we have to just first of all install the UV. Once you have installed the UV, and then we have to run the UV sync over here. So if I come over here and just see whether we are able to get the sync option or not. So let's come over here and let's see the UV package manager over here. And here only we can see the Windows option is here. So if we try to just run it like this and let's see whether it works again or not. So here we got some errors. So everything is installed, but still if we try to just do this, we are getting some kind of error over here. Distribution platform error, it cannot have source field. So if we come over here directly to the UI, just run it like this. So we have done all these commands over here. You can just take a screenshot if you want, or you can write it down if you are facing this kind of error. Now once it is done, we'll just check again whether the UV is working or not. So just wait for it to get completed. So finally it's downloaded. Now let's come over here to the UV page and just try to sync the UV and let's see whether it works or not. So here finally it's working. Okay, finally it's working and we have done it. Actually, the best part of errors is that if I get errors, then it's beneficial to all of you also. And here, as I got the error, if you face the same error, you can easily debug it. Now in the upcoming part, we may face some kind of errors also. We'll cover it. This video may become little bit longer and as very limited time is there, I'm trying myself best to just decrease the time also over here. So finally all the things have been done. Now let's come over here and just copy the env and local file. If it's not done, I think it's already done over here. So once it is done, come over here and then you have to just install all the required files over here. So just install it like this. Make sure you pause the video and just carefully do step by step with me. Okay, I am doing everything slowly so that you are able to complete this challenge and we have very limited time. I'm trying my best to decrease the timeline. Also, it depends how much time it will take to upload the video also. So here it's just downloading all the files. Wait for it. So one more important thing, many of you are asking what we have to submit in the demo. The thing we have to do, I have attached a Google form also. You can just check it out. You have to share the video URL. Okay, from the LinkedIn post, you have to make a post. You can use the AI also to generate the post. There you have to just make an output like you are interacting with the agent. You have to share it. A camera needs not to be turned on also. You can share it directly and a GitHub repo. Whatever files we are changing, we have to share it. Okay. So like this you have to do it. Now wait for it to get completed and let's wait. So finally it has been successfully set. Now come over here to the GitHub repo. Now we have to download all these things over here. So first we'll start with the what we need to do. First of all, let's do one thing. Just copy this credentials. Okay. Just do one thing. Just copy this command and just run on your Cloud Shell like this. Sorry, Cloud Shell, not terminal. And now here, what name you want to use. So I'm using this name. Now here it will open a link. You have to just click on continue with Google. Just click on continue with Google, select your Gmail account or you can just use any other account also. Then simply click on continue. And after that, you have to just name your project. So here you can write anything So I wrote this and you can just click on continue. There is no need to select these things. And once you have done all these things, it will just continue the authentication process. So here, if you come over here, you can see it's asking for awaiting confirmation. So what we need to do, let me do one more thing. Let's open it again. Click the mouse wheel and just open it like this. Just click on allow access. Now here access has been granted. Now here it will just initiate the next step. Okay, now here it has just downloaded all the API keys over here. So let's create a Google API key. How will create it? You have to just type Google AI Studio. Just go to the Google AI Studio from here. And from here you can see multiple options are here. But for creating the API key, you need to just click on this create API key, or if you are not seeing, just click on get API key. After that, you have to click on create API key, name your key like, and do not recreate the API key again and again because it's limited. Okay, it's limited. So just type AI agents and just click on create key, create project, and then just click on create key. Okay, so I already have the key, so it's failing. Then in that case, you have to just do one thing. What I did, you have to just come over here, name your key anything, and then you have to click on create project, or when you'll click on, sorry, when you'll click on create project, it will ask for a name. Okay, I don't know why in my case it's not working. You have to click on create project and just name over here like this and click on create project. After that it will be auto selected, then you have to click on create key. Okay, after that the API key will be created. I already have a key. In that way you have to just click on this copy, come over here and paste it like this and hit enter. Now here it's asking for morph API key. So for that you have to just come over here and just type morph API key. Just type it like this and just come over here and just click on it. Now from here just sign up. If you don't have account, just sign up and just sign up with Google. It's very easy to just easily create the IDs over here. It may take some time. And in the next video, I'll make a tutorial how you have to submit it because that's very easy task. But the main theme of completing the task is more important. So I'll first of all upload this part. And in the short video also or in long form of video, I'll make it easier for you to understand that thing also. Now here is signing in. It's taking some time due to internet issues. Internet is also very slow. Let's wait simply and let's see how much time it takes. It's already 28 minutes. So now here it's getting signed in and now we have to just click on our profile. Okay, I got it. Now here, how to find the API key. If I come over here and just let me see. Okay, so here we have these things. Now let me create the API key over here. So here I'm unable to find. If I come over here and go to the workspace settings and then there if I see, okay, let me come over here and just go to the API page. So if I come over here and just find for the API keys, create project, name it as they are created. Once it is created, and then we'll be adding the API keys over here. If I just come over here and just search for the APIs key, let me do one thing. Just let me type more API key again. So here, from here, just come over here and just click on get API key. Now here, click on generate API key, click on generate. Now here our API key has been successfully generated. Now let's come over here and do not share this key with anyone. Okay, do not share this key with anyone and just come over here and just paste over here and hit enter. Now it's asking for deepgram API key. We have to create multiple accounts over here. So just type deepgram API. Wait a second, click on here. Okay, click on free API key. And here also we'll just sign up with Google only because time is very limited. So let me sign up. Just click on continue. And again click on create API key. Name the API key as first and just copy it like this and click on got it. Now just paste over here like this. And now finally all the values have been updated. Now the next step is that we have to come over here to the repo again and just change the directory to front end. Okay, just come over here and try to run front end. If it is not working, do not worry at all. From here you can see front end option. Where is the front end? Okay, here. Just right click over here and just open an integrated terminal. Now from here just run the pnpm install. Now it will also take 5 to 10 minutes, so you need to hurry. You need to hurry and complete it. So just wait for it to get installed and do not worry, I'll cover each and every day of the AI agents challenge and we'll just fix all the things over here. So now wait for it to get completed. It will take 5 to 10 minutes and after that we'll move forward to the next step. So here you can see the file is up to date and resolution step is getting started over here. Now first I will upload this video and then we'll move to the next step. So here we got some kind of error that pnpm operation is not permitted. If we run over here and again we get this kind of error. So I think the pnpm file is already available over here. Okay, so here just let me remove it. So what I did, I just renamed the file. Now let's again try to install the pnpm. Let's see whether it works or not. So now again we are getting this kind of error. So let's debug it, and how we'll debug it, let me search. Now finally it's working. What I did earlier, the same pnpn store was already available over here. So I just renamed the previous folder, and if you are doing it for the first time it might be not present over here. So you need not to worry about it. Secondly, I just turn off the Windows Defender. Now here it's installing. It may take some time, so wait for it till it get completed. This kind of error we were getting. Now let's close it and wait for some more time till it's get completed. So finally, after waiting for 15 minutes, this is successfully done. Now let's come over here again to the page over here and just come over here and just copy the env file over here. Okay, just copy it, drag your mouse cursor, just come over here and just paste it like this. Now you have to find the front end page. So here we have the front end page over here and here is the env.local. Have to open this file. Okay, now here you can see all these things are here. Okay, you don't have to work with the public app config or sandbox ID. You have to only change the above thing, which is the LiveKit API key, secret and URL. For that you need to move over here and come to the backend page, and here you can see env.local. Just open it like this and from here just copy it from here to here like this. Make sure do not share with anyone, and I will blur it also. So let's update it from here to here like this. All things are done, and now let's come over here and just click on file and just save it. Now what you need to do, you need to just click on this terminal, new terminal, and here will be starting the server. So just come over here and let's start the server first of all. Wait a second, start the server. And here you can see we are getting this kind of error. So for this kind of error, what fix I have, I'm sharing you, do not worry about it. So for this fix, you need to do one thing, type dot, then backward slash live kit dash server. Just type it and hit enter. Now here it's showing one key of file must be provided over here. So let's do one more thing. Let's do one thing. Let's come to the first of all this thing. Okay. So just come over here and just type, wait a second, it's this thing only. Okay. So just paste it, dot, what's it, dot, backward slash, hit space. Now just copy it like this and just come over here and let's paste it and see whether it works or not. So again it's not working. So again I'm just pasting it over here and let's see whether it works or not. So let's see. Again it's not working. So I'm trying one more fix. So let's do one thing. I have shared the code myself. So I'm just copying all the things and just pasting over here. So now you have to click on allow over here. Now from here you can see the backend option. Okay, backend option is here. Just right click and just do one thing. Open integral terminal, integrated, sorry, and just come over here to the lab instructions like this, and then just run this command over here. Just come to the backend page. Okay, just paste it like this. Once it is done, wait for a few seconds, and after that you can see the front end page over here. So if we come to the front end where it is, yes, here it is. Right click, open an integrated terminal, come back again, wait a second, here and just run pn dev. Just run it over here and let's see whether it works or not. So here in the UV backend, our backend is running. We have to just click on allow over here. So it's Java runtime and pnpm is also running. So just copy it like this. And now here our agent will be live. So here you can clearly see we have done all the tasks. Now we have to only test the agent. In testing agent, we have to just record a small video over here like talking with the agent and the agent will just reply us. Okay. So here you can see you have to click on start call and just click on allow. Now here you can see the agent is listening. And if you come to the backend over here, you can see it's just initializing the process. So you need to wait for some more time. And here you can just interact with him. Like here it's asking. So just click on allow and just you can type hi also. Like if I try hi, it's still working. I think so. You can see it's working. And here if I send hi, are you able to hear me? So So like this, you have to record the audio. If I just show you, let me show you a quick demo over here. So if you're able to hear, you can clearly see this. Okay. Stop. So like this, it throws the error. Sorry, it's just completed the task. We have just set up all the things. Now how to submit it and how we have to do it, all things will be covered in the updated video. Do not worry. It's coming very soon just now also. And just let me just end the video. So this was the tutorial. Do like the video and do subscribe the channel. Do hype the video. And also do save the playlist because I'll update all things over here. So goodbye. Have a great day.